Yeah. Hello everyone. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about cache memory, advantages and disadvantages. Okay. Cache memory is a very high speed semiconductor memory which can speed up CPU. Okay. Which means it is helping the CPU to do the things in a very faster way. Okay. How? We will see now. It acts as a buffer between the CPU and main memory. Okay, it is acting as a buffer between the CPU and main memory. CPU is the one which is every time accessing the data from the main memory. Okay, to access the data, okay, one person is helping. That person is nothing but the cache memory. This cache memory is acting as a buffer. Buffer is nothing but the it is a it is like there is no wasting of time. It is enhancing the its speed. Okay, buffer is the one, there is no loss, there is no wasting of time, there is no loss of any kind of the data or anything. Okay, so it is the one, mainly our cache memory is the one which is mainly helping for the CPU to get the data from the main memory. And also this cache memory is used to hold the those parts of the data and program which are mostly frequently used by the CPU. See, sometimes whenever you are, I would like to tell you one example here. When we are like searching for the so many different kind of the things in our Google, okay, you just check your recent files, okay. All the things are going to be stored there. Why? Because you have recently used those links, whatever the links you have used. Okay, they are all showing there because of the only cache memory. So this is the one. Whenever our CPU is mainly working on the particular things, this this cache memory is going to stores them. The parts of the data and programs are transferred from disk to cache memory by operating system from where CPU can access them. Okay. See, the parts of data and programs are transferred from disk to cache memory by operating system from where CPU can access them. Okay, which means, for example, uh, our CPU is looking for something. Okay, that is where from main memory. So this cache memory is the one which is going to boost up the. It is going to initiate and it is going to boost. Okay, the process which is going to be done by the CPU. Okay, yeah. Coming to the advantages, it is very faster than the main memory. Main memory is the one which is maybe having the so much of the files and maybe different kind of the data. Okay, large amount of data is going to be there in our main memory. So cache memory is the one which can able to store for only very less amount of the time only. Okay, this cache memory is very faster, and also it consumes less access time, which means it takes the less time as compared with the main memory to uh, access the or for showing the files which are there in the memory. And also it stores the program, okay, that can be executed within a short period of time. For example, you just now searched for something like some corona news, or maybe the different kind of the situations, how many cases are regarding, maybe of anything, maybe weather report. Okay, such kind of things, maybe you just now only searched about those things. Okay, this cache memory is going to show for the, it is going to store within the fraction of seconds whatever the data you have searched there. Okay, that is the point of this meaning. And it stores data for temporary use only. Okay, whenever like we are going to switch off our mobile, okay, automatically data is going to be erased. Okay, and it is going to store only for the temporary time only. If you see, you are searching like in our memory, if you are going to store one video, which means you are going to put a video in your memory card. Okay, you can again see that video for after 2 months, maybe of 6 months of like large amount of at large amount of times also, like also you can able to view and you can also see that video again. But coming to the this cache memory, what it can do is it can only stores for the temporary time. After 7 days or maybe of 5 days, whatever you have searched in your Google, automatically they are going to be removed. Okay. Yes. And the disadvantages, it is having the limited capacity. Okay, it is having the limited capacity. We know maximum memories are having the limited capacities only, and also it is very cost. Okay. Yeah, this is all about our cache memory. Thank you everyone.